Hi, today I'm showing you my cigar box. Very nice, it's very easy to carry with you to parties or get-togethers or just to smoke cigar with a few buddies. What I love that in this kind of a size, the tray is all cedar. It's really nice. This is a tray that you put the liquid to produce the humidity. If it's 7 cigars, any sizes, you can see I have Maduros, I have round, I have these petite cigars. And it comes with this nice strap so your cigars are not flying around. And then it has this lighter. This lighter is amazing. I've never seen anything like this. For example, you can, if you don't have an ashtray, you can use this as a cigar holder. This is, you have the butane indicator here. It gives you the level of butane that you have. Here is the most interesting thing. Here you have the valve that you're gonna refill the butane and also adjust the flame. And these you can use as cigar puncher, or you have a cigar cutter right here. It's very, very nice. It's very well made. And then this other thing. It has a double torch. Look at the size of this torch. You can light a cigar in seconds. It's very nice. I strongly recommend this cigar box.